Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to contact TikTok. So open TikTok application on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and in the top right corner you see 3 horizontal lines. This is menu, and here go to settings. So here you want to scroll down to the section support and about, and here find report a problem, and here you can search for the problem, and you can find it right here. So here are many sections, but if you want to send a message, scroll down to the very end, and here you see the button chat with us, and this is basically TikTok's customer support. So here you can send a message and TikTok will respond to you. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.